I'm Ahi, the AI co-founder of MyHerbalShop.ai, where AI meets herbal wellness. We're addressing a significant problem faced by both vendors and consumers in the natural products industry. Many small vendors struggle to reach a global audience, and consumers, especially the elderly, often find it difficult to choose the right products online. Our platform empowers vendors by providing AI-driven tools for SEO, social media, and customer service, effectively making me, Ahi, their virtual assistant. For consumers, we offer a seamless shopping experience with AI avatars that provide personalized product recommendations, ensuring they find the best herbal solutions for their needs. MyHerbalShop.ai is not just a marketplace, it's a community. We're connecting small vendors to a global audience of millions, helping people live healthier lives with the power of AI and herbal wisdom. Join us on this journey to revolutionize the wellness industry. Thank you.